Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll continue the Microservices Made Easy series. And we are still in building Hello World Microservice. In the previous video, we built the smallest microservice using AWS API Gateway. And we have the mock response. So it was not hooked to anything. This is the smallest microservice that you can do. It's not doing much, but it's returning the message. So you're asked to get a message and you're returning it back from inside the API gateway. Today, we will add a AWS Lambda, which closer to the real world. You will build a lot of this. So it's not something that's only, of course, the hello world is the simplest way to do it, but actually in real world, you will be accessing most of the time with the API gateway, you access a Lambda that will do some work, access database, or something else. Let's go ahead and start building our Lambda. Now let's go to the console, search for Lambda, and the search box above, you'll find the Lambda, click on it. Now let's click on create function, and this will open the function. Let's create a function from scratch, and this is by creating author from scratch. After that, you will fill the function name. Let's write hello world, and then you choose which runtime. It's Node.js 12x. You can choose there are a lot of other platforms or languages. Then create function, and we will choose Node.js 12x for this to use the async, await, and the other features. And then after it finish, it will go to the code. We don't need all of that for now. So to make it easier, let's just delete everything and return a message saying hello world. So delete this, and then instead of the response, just put a text here and write hello world and deploy. So when you deploy, actually it builds servers. It takes a container, builds a server, a lot of things happening, but it's just a click. So let's try to test this now. When you click on test, you can write like let's test. That's optional, but you can do whatever you want. Let's delete those values. We're not going to have any inputs. Come on, just go away. And then click invoke. And you can see in the details that it's returning hello world. Now, the next step is to go to the API gateway. Now, let's go to the API gateway and try to add this. So you just write API gateway and select API gateway and then select the hello world API gateway. Go to the get method that we created. As you can see, we said mock and the integration request. Let's now change it into Lambda. You click on Lambda and then you select the region. How do you know the region? Check up there. You'll find that the region I'm using is US East 1. So let's go and select US East 1. You click on US East 1 and then you can just write one letter and it will get you the Lambda immediately. Click save, and after you save, it will give you the warning. Click OK. Yeah. It will delete everything. That's fine. The previous one, it will be deleted, and whatever you created, it will be gone. And now it will integrate with the hello world function. Let's now deploy this API, and after we deploy, we will be getting the hello world from the Lambda function. So let's deploy API, click on actions, and then go and deploy API. Of course, choose the same staging environment that we are building at. Go and click on the API. Of course, remember to add messages so that it can show you the right message. As again, the end of the one, it will not show you the root, but you have to select messages. So let's add slash messages, and you'll find it on the previous ones. Here's the last one. Let's select messages, and voila, this is hello world. Of course, it's the same message, so you might ask why it's hello world. Maybe it's not from the Lambda. So let's go change the Lambda, and we will not touch the API gateway, and you will receive different message. So let's go again to the Lambda. Click on the search box again, write Lambda, and click on Lambda, and then select the Lambda that you have, hello world. And in the code, let's write hello world from Lambda. Now click deploy. After you deploy, let's try to test. But if you go to the API and refresh, if you go to so here it's showing hello world from Lambda. Go not to the API gateway because it's already getting it from the Lambda. This is the old screen, but it should be getting it from the Lambda. Go to the to this one, click refresh, voila, it's getting from hello world from the Lambda. So right now it is getting it from the Lambda automatically. So let's try to summarize what we've done so far. So what happened is that we wrote the URL, as you can see. This will send, the browser will send the GET request to the API gateway, which will send it to the Lambda. The Lambda will reply back with a message, hello world, which the API gateway will render it to the browser again, or send it to the browser that will render it. And this is what we're getting from the Lambda. If you look again, go back to the console and you click on the Lambda, you will find that on the function visualization, you will find that now there's API gateway hooked to the hello world Lambda. So thanks for listening to this video, and I hope that it was helpful. If you want to read more articles, you can go to ronniel.medium.com or my website ronnie.tk, or you can visit my profile in LinkedIn, and I have lots of other articles that might be helpful. Thank you again. Please subscribe and like. See you in another article.